Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has resigned. Big news, Jagdeep Dhankar has sent his official resignation citing health reasons. In fact, I'm going to read out his resignation for you. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, as he resigns, he says, to prioritize healthcare and abide by medical advice, I hereby resign as the Vice President of India, effective immediately in accordance with Article 67A of the Constitution. I extend my deepest gratitude to Your Excellency, the Honourable President of India, for unwavering support and soothing, wonderful working relationship that we maintained during my tenure. I express my deep gratitude to the Honourable Prime Minister and the esteemed Council of Ministers. Prime Minister's cooperation and support have been invaluable, and I have learnt much during my time in office. The warmth, the trust and affection I have received from all the honourable members of Parliament, that's what he says. I'm deeply thankful for the invaluable experiences and insights I've gained. So basically here Jagdeep Dhankar resigning on grounds of health. Big news coming in. The Vice President of India has decided to step down. He officially tenders his resignation.
This is for the first time such a thing has happened, Nabila. And the second thing is that very soon there will be an election. Secondly, the entire job of running the house will now land on the shoulder of Mr. Harivansh. Harivansh is the deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha, because Rajya Sabha is actually handled by the vice president. So when Mr. Dhankar resigns, citing health reason, then even the house gets empty. So position of vice president is not there. The position of the chairman of Rajya Sabha is also there.
August 2027 is still when his tenure is. For him to really tender his resignation right at the start of the monsoon session is indeed shocking. After a good full day of a debate today, the resignation to come, I'm not too sure if I entirely agree with just what's written there in that letter.
In this political dispensation, when Prime Minister Modi is heading the government, I don't think anyone would be doing something like this impromptu. It has to be done after some sort of discussion, because that's my sense of understanding, that this is not like a Gathbandhan ki sarkar. It's a government with a sense of majority.
That's very interesting. But
I think it would have been discussed. That is my understanding, Nabila.
If there was a discussion that was that panned out, don't you think the government, or the NDA alliance, would have asked him to stay a little longer? The monsoon session has just begun. This is going to derail a lot of.
Maybe the persuasion failed. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah.